In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pros and cons box in WordPress. We'll start on WordPress.com. Open the site's dashboard, and if you manage more than one site, make sure you're looking at the one you want to update. In the left sidebar, find Plugins. If you don't see it, you may need a plan that supports plugins on WordPress.com. Once you're in the Plugins section, use the search bar and type Pros and Cons. You're looking for a plugin called Responsive Pros and Cons Block. Give the results a moment to load, then click the plugin to open its details page. On the plugin page, take a minute to review the information tabs so you know exactly what you're installing. The description tab explains what the block does and how it displays pros and cons in a clean, mobile-friendly layout. The installation tab outlines how the plugin integrates with your site, which is useful if you're confirming compatibility. The changelog tab shows recent updates and bug fixes so you can gauge how actively it's maintained. And the related plugins section is handy if you want to compare alternatives, but we'll stick with responsive pros and cons block for this tutorial. When you're ready, click Get Started. On WordPress.com, this button walks you through enabling the plugin as part of your site setup. You'll be taken to the domain step. Here you can search for a new domain using the Search Domains option. If you already own a domain you want to use, choose the option labeled Already Have a Domain and follow the prompts to connect it. This path is helpful if you're migrating or consolidating under a single address. After making your selection, continue through the on-screen prompts and click Continue to confirm your choice. WordPress.com will finish preparing your site with the plugin available. From there, when you create or edit a post or page, you'll be able to insert the pros and cons block from the block inserter. A quick tip as you start using it: keep the pros concise and benefit-focused, and make the cons equally clear and honest. Balanced lists tend to build trust with readers, and shorter bullet-style entries are easier to scan. Also, preview your content on mobile to ensure the layout looks good across devices, which is where a responsive block really shines. That's it. You've found the plugin, reviewed its details, started the setup, selected